What's up guys, welcome back to a new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your first website with HTML. First of all, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it's the format used to design most websites. What's up guys, and welcome to my first HTML tutorial again. We are going to be using Visual Studio Code for this. You can use other stuff too. I'm just going to be using Visual Studio Code. So this is your first time with Visual Studio. It might be a little overwhelming. You got all this stuff, but we're just gonna do some small stuff. So let's go ahead and make a new file here. So I just clicked this, and then we're going to select our language and we're going to type in HTML, and we're going to click this one. So now we have this, and you probably need to go to the extensions and look up HTML, and you're going to download this one for this, so you can have some IntelliSense. And then I think that's what it's called. Anyways, the first thing we're going to do is save it. So let's just save it as, I'm just going to save mine as test, right? So now we have test.html, and the first thing that you're going to do when you're making a website with HTML, you're going to say doc type, so doc type, and then you're going to type HTML. And then this seems kind of pointless, but then you're going to type HTML again. And for mine, it just, so everything you're going to type that's like a command, you're going to have these greater than, less than signs around it. And on mine, it just made the closing one. And if you're closing something, you're going to put the slash in it. So this is where all of our stuff's going to go, right here. So we can say body, which is like where all the stuff's going to be. And then H1, and H1 is like for a header, and that's going to be like the biggest size. And then we can type something, I don't know, website. And now if we run this, and I'm going to put this on the side, it says website here. So yeah, then we can, if we want it to be, let's say we want this in the center, we can say align right here where it says H1. We can say equals center. I think it's because I'm running it. Why is align red? Or maybe that's just because I changed the theme. Yeah, that's just, sorry. Align is red on mine. Sorry. Anyways, we can change the font. So we can change the font. You're going to say style, and then equals, and then, in quotations, you're going to say font family. Then you can pick which font family you want. I'm going to do, I don't know, monospace. Then you run it, it'll be like that. We can change the size, font size, and we can say 50px, I think. So now it's bigger. And let's add some effects to the actual text. You could do B, and if you highlight this and press Control X, it'll cut it, and then you can paste it right there. So now, if we refresh this, it should be bold. You can't really tell though, but if you do U, I think B is for bold. I just started doing HTML, but I can do the basic stuff. And then, so U is underline. So now it has an underline. And there's all kinds of other stuff you can do. You can say I, and I is like italics, so does that. And yeah, let's maybe say background, whoops, yeah, we could say sorry, yeah, we can say background color, we can set it to be this, so it's like that. I'm gonna set this to be red. We can, I think this will be here, but like I said, I'm still starting this, but yeah, you can change the full background color by putting the style right here, and so this is like how you can have the background be blue, and now it's blue and red. If you want to change the text color, it's also pretty, you can just say font. Oh, and by the way, I've been kind of using the auto thing, but if you want to know how to, whoops. If you want to know how to, I forgot to tell you, you're gonna put a colon and then a semicolon after you typed what you want, before you type the next thing. Sorry. And you can say color, and then you can pick what color you want the text to be. If you wanted it to be orange, or this color that looks almost exactly like red. If you wanted to you could do blue. I think it's supposed to be font color though, or it's text color, or it's just color. But now there's a problem, and that is that's because that's because we didn't put this here to end that, but we can also put color, and the color for the font can be this or whatever you want. So that's how you change the color and stuff with it. And so yeah, I'm gonna make my color be just white. So there. And this is your website here right now. So let's say you wanted to add some more stuff. Just after the H1 here, you can say you wanted to do something smaller. You can say like H2, which is smaller. And then you could say, I don't know, this is a website or something. And then if you run that, it says it down here. So yeah, what if, let's say you don't want to have to keep on changing it and you just want it to be like this for the whole thing. In the body, you can say like font family, and you can just set it to be monospace for the whole thing. And then this is also in monospace. And yeah, you can, again, it's the same thing for this. For the style and everything, you can say style, font, size. I'm gonna say 30 pixels, and PX is the pixels abbreviation. So yeah, now it's bigger. Let me try something. I think if you just do this, wait, that's not what I'm gonna do. If you do, sorry, you can do, forget how to do it, but there's like an underline. There's like a line thing that you can do. Is it U out? No. It's like, sorry. I think it's, yeah, I don't know, but yeah. So you can do this. Let's say that your website, you wanted to add an image to your website. Then what you would do if you wanted to add an image is, I'm gonna add mine right under here. So I'm gonna say img for image, and then I'm gonna say src, and then equals, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the image and you're gonna right click on it, and then you're gonna go down to copy image address, and then you're gonna paste that right there. And I don't know why it gave me that. So yeah, then let's try refreshing this, and we have an image. Let's say you don't want to do a heading, you just want to do like, if you just want to do like a normal, like some normal text, that would be P. You can say, and also if you want to like put a line, like I was talking about, for this, if you wanted to do a line, you do HR, and now there's a line under it. You can edit, you can say like style and then color. I don't know if it'll work for this, but I think you can make it black. So, okay, no, it doesn't work for, you can't change the color for this, I don't think, but or at least I don't know how, but down there's a line under it, and so yeah. Then what you would do is to put like, I'm just gonna put another line, so I'm just gonna put BR, and that's just for a normal line. And then yeah, so in the P is for paragraph, so it's just like a normal paragraph, and you could say this is my first website, and now it says that. Yeah, of course you can make it bigger. I'm gonna make it be bold, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna outline, I'm gonna cut this, and I'm gonna paste this, so now it's bold. I'm also gonna change the size again to be, I'm gonna say style equals, and then in quotations I'm gonna say font size, and then it's gonna be like 20 pixels, which is pretty big, but I'm just gonna do it like that. And so yeah, it's the same for a paragraph for this. So you have some basic website stuff. This is like a pretty basic website. You can add images if you wanted to. And now the last thing, the last thing that I'm going to show you for this basic tutorial for this website thing is if you wanted to add like a link. So yeah, if you wanted to put a link in your website, what you would do is you would put A and then href, and then you'd say equals, and then you would paste what you want it to be. Then you would put like what you want it to say for the hyperlink, so my Scratch profile, and yeah, so let's see if this works here, and there it is. Click it, and it'll take you to my profile. So yeah, and you can also see if you can, I don't know, I've actually never tried this. I'm gonna see if you can change the color of it for the hyperlink. Oh, so yeah, you can change the color, and which means you can probably change all the other stuff for it. And so that's gonna be pretty much it for this tutorial. But there is one more thing that I'm gonna show how to do. if you go up here, you can say title, and this is just how you can make it. So here it says test.html. You can make it be anything you want. So you can make it be like website, and then now this is called, it says website up here. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Maybe you can make a website with this. And so yeah, this is how to make a basic website with HTML. So yeah, that's gonna be it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. So yeah, bye.